welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Amanda and welcome to my NYX 24 Days of Beauty Countdown. If you're new to my channel, my NYX 24 Days of Beauty Countdown is a makeup series that I have going on my channel. I started this series last year with the NYX Lippy Countdown, and this year it is the NYX 24 Days of Beauty Sugar Trip Countdown. NYX has come out with an advent calendar the past few years that has a beauty product for 24 days of December. So every day on my channel I will be creating a new look to go along with the product that is in the advent calendar for that day. So if you guys are interested in sticking around and joining my lovely little family, you can click that subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram at AmandaLouiseYT. You can also follow me on Twitter and Dote at AmandaLouiseYT, and for Dote you can use my code SV3T to get $5 off with your first purchase. I also have some giveaways going on my Instagram right now. One of them is all my favorite products, beauty products, just regular products. That giveaway goes until December 15th, and I will also be starting up a giveaway very soon to give you guys one of the NYX advent calendars so you can go back and follow along with all my makeup looks that I did during the month of December. That giveaway will be going until the end of this series, so be sure to follow me on Instagram and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I post that giveaway. I also go live all the time on Instagram and comment back to you guys, answer all your questions when I go live, and answer your DMs as much as I can. So I would love to talk to you guys if you want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Without chatting on any longer, we are just going to go ahead and get into today's makeup look. So today we're going to be going in with day 6 and day 8 products. I hope you guys don't mind. As you know, I am a full-time college student. So last year around this time, your girl was really stressed, uploading videos and stuff every day. As you guys know, I'm already a little bit behind filming and stuff because of my trip to Florida, because of all my technical difficulties with my computer and everything. So I'm a little bit behind on looks. So I appreciate you guys being so patient. It literally means everything to me. The fact that you guys aren't like blowing up my Instagram and like comments being like, where are the videos? What the heck? Like, the fact that you guys understand that like I'm a real person and I have things going on, like, it seriously makes my life so much easier, and I really appreciate it. Some of these videos are a little bit behind on uploading, but all of them will be uploaded. Do not worry. I am done with finals on Saturday the 15th, so literally everything after that is going to be up on time. You guys are going to get bombarded with videos if you guys are watching for Vlogmas as well. I'm also going to be doing a week in my life for this week, just simply because I'm literally sitting in the library every day and it's so boring. Now we are going to do day 6 and day 8's video. Day 7 will be coming tomorrow, followed by the rest of all the videos that are so behind. Again, I'm so sorry, and I appreciate you guys being so patient. Day 6's product is this matte lipstick in the color Fluff piece. A lot of the colors in these countdown calendars are not super easy to work with, so the reason I'm doing day 6 and day 8's product together is because day 8's product is this Candy Cloud highlighter, and it's this really pretty pink highlighter. So I feel like these two products together are going to go really nicely and complement each other. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these two products right now. So as you can see, we have this pinky highlighter and then this hot pink lip. More like fluorescent pink lip. Today we're going to do a sparkly pink eye look. It's kind of difficult to figure out what goes with this color, but so today, you guys know I hate doing this, but I'm going to be using two different palettes. I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm also going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be first starting with canvas, and I'm going to be covering my entire lid with this color, going in with my JH33 brush. Next, I'm going to be going in with Pinkity Drinkity all over my lid as well. I am now going to be going in with the color Skip into my crease very lightly, and I'm taking this on my JH34 brush. We're now going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to be taking this color right here. I'm going to be taking my JH41 brush, spraying some Mario Badescu Rose Water on there. This is really going to help pick up this pigment. And I'm going to be kind of going in like a cut crease with this color. I am now just going in with the brush that I went in with Skip on, and I'm just blending all of the glitter out of my crease. Gonna be going in with my JH43 brush, going to be carrying this color down into my inner corner. I'm going to be taking the highlighter color and going inside my inner corner. Also going on my brow bone. Now I'm going to be going in with my JH40 brush, and I will be taking the color Skip underneath my lash line. I'm going to go ahead and apply some Ariston lashes. Alright guys, so this is going to be the final look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. And comment down below any suggestions you have for my channel. I would love some feedback from you guys. What I can do to improve my channel, what you guys want to see from me. All that good stuff. This channel is entirely for you guys, so I want to do whatever you guys want to see. So at the end of the day, my goal is to just make you guys happy. So I'd love to hear your feedback. If you guys are not already part of my lovely little family, you can click that subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram at AmandaLouiseYT. You can also follow me on Twitter and Dote at the same username and use my code SV3T on Dote for $5 off with your first purchase. Don't forget to enter my giveaway before it's over on December 15th. I will also have a giveaway going on for your own NYX Advent Calendar, which I will be posting so soon, and it goes until the end of this series. And my giveaway with all my favorite beauty products and other products goes until December 15th, so be sure to go and enter on my Instagram. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys endlessly, and until the next video, don't forget to live lovely. Bye!